You guys, most of us thought the lockdown is going to be lifted next week since we are now registering few infections on a daily. But it's as if the government has a different plan, and that's what I have come to tell you about. But for the meantime, subscribe, comment, like, and share our stories to your friends and family. Now, Dr. Chris Baryomunsi has warned Ugandans not to expect the country to fully open at the end of the current lockdown. He said that the cabinet is discussing modalities of how the country will gradually reopen for business, but full reopening is not on the table. Now, in his own words, he said, "We are on a countdown, about a week remaining on the lockdown, but now where we are now, we cannot say open and everything goes to normal." Now, Dr. Baryomunsi, who is the ICT and National Guidance Minister, made comments while appearing on NBS TV's Frontline program on Thursday night. Well, he said, "We are still discussing, but you should not expect full opening." Now, last week, the cabinet studied the effect of the lockdown to the spread of the coronavirus and noted that it had achieved its purpose with the number of positive confirmed cases reducing each day. Cabinet, according to Baryomunsi, noted that whereas the test positivity rate has continued to fall, it was not yet where they want it to be. According to Baryomunsi, the optimal and desirable positivity rate would be at least 5% of total samples taken each day, and by Thursday the rate was standing at 7%. Now, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is expected to address the country on the way forward after the current lockdown is over. And according to Baryomunsi, the president's address will be guided by the scientists. Now, Baryomunsi also urged the public to join hands with the government in the fight against COVID-19, saying that working together is the only way out. Now, in his own words, he said COVID-19 was not brought by the government, and it is time we put our heads together to find a solution. Now, looking at the time the news has come, many Ugandans are still awaiting for Nabanja's money, which is about 100,000 Ugandan shillings. But we are looking at government busy giving out 200 million to each MP to purchase cars. And in question, we're like, if they are to continue putting us under lockdown, definitely you will see very many Ugandans on the streets demonstrating, because I tell you for sure, very many people are starving in this lockdown. And now let's just wait for what the president will actually address, probably next week, as we see how we transit from here. But before I get to leave you, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share our stories. Well, my name is Akash. I'll definitely see you in another story.